Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the tutorial for my template 9 flower. This is how it looks like, so let's get started. You're going to need my template 9 in petal sizes 7 inch, 6 inch, and 5 inch, 5 cuts of each size. You're going to need a 4.5 inch circle or pentagon, and then you're going to need a pre-cut center of yours. And then you're going to need a center of your choice. I'm going to use this one. To get started, I'm going to curl all the petals, starting from one side and curling it downwards. I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. I'm just using my hand and curling the petals in some more. Now I'm going to glue the middle slits together. All the petals have been glued down, so now we are going to start assembling. Once again, just start out with the left side. And then glue all the way across. And repeat this process for all 3 layers. This is the flower completed, and now we're going to add in the center. And there you have it. This is my template 9 flower completed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.